Hello my dear family and friends, welcome to City Kitchen Moments. Let's begin our lovely and yummy show that stars Tomato Charu. Tomato Charu or Tomato Rasam is a tangy and delicious stew or spiced soup-like that is served over hot white rice. Tomato Rasam, also known as Tomato Charu in Telugu, is very popular in South India. That is delicious, healthy and helps ease during cold or cough and also helps in easy digestion. Every household makes their unique way of rasam that is tastier within the proportions. Let's see how to make tomato rasam. Take one tomato cut into small pieces, add to a mixie jar, then take a lime-sized tamarind, wash well and add it to the cut tomatoes in the jar. Blend to make a smooth tomato puree and keep aside. Now crush one garlic in mortar and pestle and keep aside. In a heavy pot, heat 2 tablespoons of oil on low heat. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon of black gram, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, add crushed garlic and fry until mustard seeds crackle. Add a pinch of asafoetida, chopped curry leaves and coriander leaves and continue to stir until black gram turns nice golden color. At this stage, add the tomato puree and mix well. Simmer the heat and let the mixture start to bubble. Then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per your taste and give a nice mix. Next, add 5 cups of water, add 2 broken dry red chilies, 2 tablespoons of rasam powder, add half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix until all the spices are incorporated well. Gently boil on medium heat. When the rasam starts bubbling, simmer for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add chopped coriander leaves and turn off the heat. Cover the lid for 10 minutes to retain the desired fragrance and aroma. And then our tangy tomato rasam is ready to be served over steamed hot white rice with an ultimate side of appadams or variyalu, which are fryams. If you like this traditional classic tomato rasam or charu, please like this video, share this spicy version of tomato rasam to your loved ones. Comment your style of making tomato rasam. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest notifications. Hugs and love from City Kitchen Moments. Thank you.